You've purchased your DJI Ronin S gimbal, and you've gotten it fully assembled, but now you're faced with the task of balancing. It's the first step you must do in order to prepare the gimbal for use, but the instructions are not always what I would call clear or easy to interpret. So we've created a video today to help you with balancing. Start by connecting the plate to the bottom of your camera. You can easily use a coin to tighten it. Unlock and slide the camera with plate and lock it into the camera mounting base. Rotate the camera until the camera is facing upwards vertically. And adjust the tilt arm until the camera stays in place vertically upward. Once that's achieved, you're balanced and can lock the lever. Now make the camera point forward and adjust the dovetail slide until the camera can be pointed up and down 45 degrees and stays in place. Make sure the dovetail lock is locked firmly. Hold the roll axis motor and adjust the roll axis arm until the camera stays still. Adjust and test as necessary, moving it left to right at 45 degrees until it stays in place. Your roll axis is now in balance. Grab the grip and tilt the gimbal forward and check the gimbal's movement. Adjust the pan axis arm until you can lean it forward with minimal to no movement. This one might seem somewhat confusing, so be sure to adjust a couple of times to make sure you minimize the movement. At this point, your Ronin S is ready to be powered on. Press the battery power button one time to power the battery on, and hold the gimbal power button until the 3 lights are lit. Your Ronin S is now balanced and ready to use. Also note, to power off the battery, press the battery button once and then press and hold until all the lights disappear. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be glad to get back with you. See you again soon.